Hey folks! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's a bit of a throwback but still super relevant for us network engineers, inter-switch link or ISL. So grab your coffee and let's jump right in. Alright, so ISL is a proprietary protocol developed by Cisco for VLAN trunking. For those who might be newer to the field, VLAN trunking is all about carrying traffic for multiple VLANs over a single physical link between switches. This was revolutionary because it meant you could simplify your infrastructure without giving up on network segmentation. Now let's talk about how ISL works. When a switch sends data over a trunk link, ISL encapsulates the Ethernet frame by adding a header and a trailer. The header's got all the critical info like VLAN identification, which tells the receiving switch which VLAN the frame belongs to. Once the frame arrives, the encapsulation is stripped off, and the frame is delivered to the right VLAN. This ensures that even though the physical link is shared among multiple VLANs, each frame is correctly routed, maintaining that all-important network segmentation. So, what are some key features of ISL? First, it's a Cisco Proprietary protocol. That means it's specifically designed to work in Cisco's ecosystem, making it a popular choice for networks built entirely on Cisco hardware. Second, ISL encapsulates the entire Ethernet frame, adding extra bytes to every frame in transit. This does introduce some overhead, but it's crucial for keeping VLAN traffic separate. Lastly, while ISL was once widespread, it's now considered largely obsolete. Modern networks have shifted towards the IEEE 802.1q standard, which is open and widely adopted. However, ISL still has its place, especially in legacy systems with older Cisco switches. So to wrap things up, ISL has been a cornerstone in network design. It allowed for efficient VLAN trunking by encapsulating Ethernet frames and tagging them with VLAN information, keeping traffic segregated over shared links. Even though today's networks prefer the more efficient 802.1q standard, ISL's contribution to the evolution of network switching is undeniable, especially where legacy Cisco gear is still in use. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this quick overview has given you some valuable insights into ISL and its relevance in networking history. Catch you next time. Sign up for InVideo AI through below referral link and get an exclusive bonus 50 AI minutes. Also, please let us know in the comments if you have a suggestion for our next video, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this. Make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any of our future videos.